In Project Sekai, you can drop your combo without missing any notes. If you get anything lower than the 2 highest accuracy points of perfect and great, your combo will reset, but there's still 2 other accuracy points that you can score for each note without missing. So I want to bring that up because I dropped my combo a lot in this first clip, but in the end, I only missed 10 notes in the entire song. I swear I don't suck. Now it's time for the honorable mentions. Times I hit really sick combos, but the run either died or just sucked ass. I'm gonna be so real with you. The only reason why I bothered to edit and upload this is because I want to send it to some of my friends to impress them by my ability to press buttons on an iPad screen well and fast. So, hi, friends. And for those of you who are not my friends, follow me at twitch.tv/Kibsy_. Woohoo!